Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So tonight I have got a little Birchbox unboxing. So last week before, there was an offer on anyway where you can purchase old Birchboxes for just £3. After all my fiasco previously, I decided only to purchase one box. So it was £3, plus because I'm a VIP member I get a discount, plus I'd reviewed my box so I had a code. So basically I've got an old box, I managed to get free postage plus 2 free gifts for £2.55. So that's not too bad, is it? So I'm just going to get opened up. So I've got no idea which box I'm getting. Let's hope it's not the Cath Kitson one, because as you can see up here I've got 7 there, plus I got the one that was sent. I've had 8 of those. So hopefully it's a different box. I don't care which it is. It'll just be a nice surprise. And I'm really interested to see what 2 gifts I get as well. So opening it up. And that's my dispatch note. So here we go. I've got my box here. Got a little card just reminding you about the Birch shop at Birchbox. So my little 2 freebies. Now this looks quite good, so let's have a look here first. So this is why it's always worth filling in your reviews, and then when there's things like this, using your codes for free shipping and free gifts. So I've got a Cordially Vino Sauce Creme Sorbet Hydrant, and that's 15 mils. I don't think I've got one of these. I've got quite a lot of Cordially products from Birchbox mainly, but yes, I'm really pleased to get that. And then I have got an highlighter, Lacquer and Co. Not sure what this is. I've not had this before either. Oh, so it's just a little like strobing creamy highlighter. I suppose you could use it for your inner corner. Well, that's nice. So yeah, so I'm really pleased to have got those. That was worthwhile. So that's that. And then let's get into the box and see what I've got. So I'm just gonna undo this. Oh no, I don't think I've got this box. I think so. There was a little period of time when I unsubscribed to Birchbox. Oh no, I've had it, but it's a different box. So this is the Birchbox v Etsy, and I think we all got different box designs when this one came out. I can't remember what month it is, but it'll tell me inside. So here are my products. I'm really happy. Right, let's see. Let me get the card out. This is when Birchbox used to put the card at the bottom. Oh gosh. So again, another Birch shop thing. A little thing about Etsy. That's expired, so I won't show you that. And it is the August box. So the products are these. So I'm going to just read you them out one at a time. And I'm really happy for a change. So first things first is the Jeu d'Automne Sugar Texturizing Spray from High Performance. I've had a lot of things by these. I really do like them for the hair things. So the full size RRP would be £20. So it's a number 4 sugar spray. This is combining the beachy waves of a soft spray with the nourishment of a mask. This spritz is a hair care hero. Sugarcane and flexible styling aids leaving your strands soft, shiny, with texture aplenty. Lightly spray onto damp or dry hair, then leave to air dry or blow dry with a diffuser to amp up those waves. So it's 30 mils, so it's a reasonable size sample. And then yeah, so there we go. Next thing, I was literally just talking about this on my video from a couple of days ago when I showed you all of my stash. I was going to say craft stash. It's not a craft video. All of my beauty items and things. I'm currently using this and it's in my bathroom. And I really, really love this. It is the Dr. Botanicals Pomegranate Superfood Sleeping Mask. And I absolutely love it. And I'm nearly out of it. So I'm so happy to get it again because I love it. So yeah, so this says, we love it when a product does all the hard work for us, and even more so if it works overnight. Apply a thin layer of this pomegranate infused treatment onto clean skin before bed and let it absorb whilst you catch some Z's. The antioxidants will rejuvenate tired skin so you'll wake to a glow hydrated complexion, and it smells gorgeous and it feels really nice on the skin, and yeah, I've been loving it. So very, very delighted. Next thing is a Lord & Berry concealer stick in beige. Now I don't think I got this one when I got the box last time. In fact, I'm pretty sure I didn't. So way more than just a concealer. This creamy pencil helps you to achieve naturally beautiful skin by masking blemishes and disguising dark circles with a lightweight texture. Plus, the Radiant formula lends a subtle highlight to your complexion too. Just scribble on where you need it and blend with your fingertips. RRP is £16. They reckon this is a full size. And maybe, I just think it could be bigger. Let's see. So it's a concealer, which is a bit weird to me, having a concealer in a stick. Oh gosh, it's very, maybe for the summertime, it's quite dark for a concealer. It does blend nicely. The formula feels nice, but it's quite yellow. Well, that's a bruise there. But yeah, it might be better in the summer. I'll see what it's like then. Next thing is a Dirty Little Secret, and this is an eyeshadow crayon in gold plated or fetch. It says, who said that perfectly applied eyeshadow requires an arsenal of tools? Not us. With this creamy crayon, your fingertips will do the job just fine. Scribble it directly onto your eyelids and blend for an effortless eye look. It works as a base for powder shadows, a standalone wash of colour or a radiant highlighter. It is a full-size product and RRP is £10.50. So that's fab. I have got one of these. I saw it the other day in my drawer. And this is in the shade Gold Plated. Let me just check what I've already got. Where was it? I did see it. Excuse me. But here we are. And the one I've already got is in... Oh, Fetch! So that's brilliant. So I've got both the shades now. So that's fabulous. I was about to do a little giveaway, but tough, it's mine. So let's have a look at this now. I'll swatch it. Ooh. So there we go. Really, really nice. So yeah, that's fab. This has worked out really well for me this time, buying this old box. It doesn't always go to plan, does it? But so far, so good. And then finally, I've got a little thing in here. And this is a Model Co Baked Highlighter in Moonshine. Which one have I got at the moment that I'm using? Again, if it's this... I've already got one. I love these. I think I'll probably end up put this into a giveaway, because I think I've got quite a few of these in one of my other boxes as well. And they're really, really lovely, lovely highlighters. Can't get it out the box. And they're just beautiful. Let's pop it out there. I'll show you. It's like a marbled highlighter. Yeah. And it's just so pretty. I won't swatch that one. What I will do, I'll swatch you the one I've already got so you can see what it's like. And I use it a lot. I use it most days. It's just really, really pretty highlighter. So the one that, yeah, here's my one. And I've used it a lot, as you can see. But so that's it there. And that's it here. Then you can just see it's just so subtle and pretty. It's really nice. So yeah, there we go. So just a little recap of my box. I got the hair product, I got the Dirty Little Secret eyeshadow, I've got the Dr. Botanicals sleeping mask. Got the Lord and Berry conceal stick and the Model Cure baked highlighter. On top of that, I got the what was this again? The eyeliner, and I also got the Caudalie sorbet there. So all that for £2.55 posted. So this time I'm saying thumbs up Birchbox. Thank you very, very much. I'm absolutely delighted. So I hope you've enjoyed this little extra unboxing, and if you have, leave me a comment down below and let me know. And have you picked up any of these little cheeky boxes as well as an extra? And if you did, which box did you get and what was inside it? If you've done an unboxing, let me know and I'll come and check it out. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. I'd love for you to follow me, and we can become friends. So yeah, so that's it. Jammy Dodgers, my favourite. So take care guys, see you all later. Bye for now.